I'm Squig McGrig. And I'm Con Jigsley. And welcome to the big, bad, good, giant, good, great, amazing race of criminals. We have... How many engines do we... Not engines. How many cars do we have participating again? Oh, it's like, intermission, give us a second. We gotta count the cars. We have 14 cars participating today. Yep, and only one of them is going to live. All these cars are on death row, and only one of them will live. The other 13 will die. The first person to do an entire lap of this area wins and lives and doesn't die. On your marks, go.
I'm gonna win the race. These guys suck. And no, we're stopping. No, wait, no.
Oh, and there goes Hayride. It's utter chaos. Cars are bashing into each other. They're probably doing all sorts of illegal moves. I wonder who will win.
That's why you never eat fast food. Oh, shit.
Oh, and there goes Alex. Max Salta, Paul, Gauntlet, and Susan. Oh, and there goes Laz. Miraculously, though, District is still okay. Oh, and there goes Dynamix. Here comes the hurdle. Hey, question, how are any of us supposed to get over this?
I don't know.
That's how. Go, everyone. Frick. No.
No.
Ronnie is falling down.
No.
Next to the Shard Clubs of Hades, Ryan.
No. Oh, no, they're coming. Oh. Hey, guys, look, Ronnie crashed. Come on, let's go. Come on. It's not working.
Looks like this is the end of the line for old Gabe.
You know what? Forget this. I'm leaving. No! I made it! Oh, I gotta get out of here. Oh my god, they're close behind! Oh god! Ow! Oh gosh! Oh no! Dirt, my only
There
weakness!
goes that Laxa.
No, my no!
Axalta's brother.
What is that? Huh? No!
It looks like Zeroni has finally fallen. And it looks like Dow flew too close to the sun. That just leaves Project H, District, and Mortem. It looks like Project H has managed to get back on its feet. But it looks like his tires are damaged. So close, but no cigar. This is Mortem and District. I really don't like Mortem. It looks like District's driving backwards. Just past Hayride. Looks like it's gonna be a close ride.
I'm gonna win! Wait, what? No!
Mortem, you absolute idiot. You were supposed to touch the pole, not cross the pole. Yay, I won. Now I get to live.
That's not fair.
Life isn't fair, Mortem. Anyways, time to activate the remote bomb inside every car here and kill everyone besides District. What?
I hate you all. Well,
Tell us, District, how does it feel being the only survivor from this slaughter? Amazing.